Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 4506C, also called as the IVES Request for Transcript of Tax Return. So this form is commonly used when a third party like a lender needs to confirm your tax information directly from the IRS. So I'll keep this very simple and walk you through each section so that you know exactly what to do. So starting at the top, you'll enter your current name, write your first name, middle initial, and last name exactly as it appears on your tax return. And right below that, enter your social security number or ITIN. If you filled out a joint return, there's a section on the right where you'll add your spouse's name and identification number as well. So next, if your name was different on your last tax return, you'll need to fill in the previous name section. If nothing changed, you can leave that part blank. Now, move down to the address section. So enter your current address, including street, city, state, and zip code. So make sure this matches your latest tax return. If your address has changed, there's also a space to enter your previous address to the IRS so that you can locate your records correctly. After that, you'll see the IVES participant section. So this is the company requesting your transcript. So most of the time, their name, ID number, and address are already filled in. So just check that details are correct. And below that, there are fields for a customer file number and a unique identifier. So these may or may not be required, so only fill them in if the requesting company asks for it. Then you'll see the section for client information. So this includes your name, phone number, and address. So this part cannot be left blank. So make sure everything is filled out clearly. And before you finish everything, review all the information. Even small mistakes can delay the process. And once everything looks good, you'll move to the signature section, sign and date the form as required. And that is it. That's a quick and simple walkthrough of IRS Form 4506C. It may look complicated at first, but when you go step by step, it's actually manageable. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.